Hope everyone's having a great day today. So I let that Last Fit floor mat video run for a week, and I've got so much support. I really appreciate you guys. I do. This is probably the hardest one today to pick a winner, just because there was a lot of interest in these. Got a lot of faithful subscribers. I appreciate all of you. I do. Like I said, the hardest thing is trying to find one person. So many deserving people out there. But, that's the rules. But the good news is that I will be doing more giveaways. So definitely be subscribed so you don't miss out. But this one's for these Last Fit floor mats right here. If you remember, I did the review video. I love these mats. They're great. Really protect really well. They're 3D scan, so they go up really high on the side. So as far as protection goes, they probably beat anything else out there. So protecting your car, if that's important to you, these are definitely the way to go. Like I said, I've tried a lot of different mats too. And these are one that I always say are a great deal to get. So I'm happy I can give one set away. Like I said, definitely what my goal is to do one giveaway a month. So that way more and more people will get in. So definitely try and do these monthly giveaways. So definitely check back. Try to get these out to you. So the winner for the Last Fit floor mats for this time around is Cindy Coughlin. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Thanks so much for being a loyal subscriber. I've seen you comment many times through the years. Really appreciate that. I really do. So just message me back and I'll get in contact with you and we'll get these shipped right out to you. So again, I appreciate all your guys' support. It means a lot to me. Let's keep this going. Like I said, monthly giveaways. So more and more people will get in on this. So I appreciate all of you. I do. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I definitely look forward to doing more of these each month. Hope everyone's staying safe, doing good. Catch you guys on the next one.